Hi guys, my name is Nader and I'm from Cape Town. I signed up for Pave Your Path University to figure out how to make money, and it turned out to be really helpful. I had no knowledge about starting a business at all.
That's right. You don't need any knowledge or any experience to learn how to make money from us. In fact, you only need an internet connection and a mobile device to gain access to the lessons that will make you a rich and successful businessman in no time.
As I already had a business, it turned out I had one missing piece to start receiving orders, and Pave Your Path was the only university providing practical skills that I can supply immediately.
Stop scrolling garbage videos on TikTok and join dozens of students who learned how to make money from Pave Your Path University. This university will teach you how to create a business from scratch. By using a simple step-by-step guide, you can quickly make money in less than a week. You only have to join the e-commerce campus and gain access to the lessons forever. Receive help from professional experts who make over $100K a month. You will also get a chance to meet and connect with other students. It doesn't matter where you live or what language you speak. We are here to guide you.
I say it again, what do you have to lose? Look, what do you have to lose? You're living in poverty. Your schools are no good. You have no jobs. 58% of your youth is unemployed. What the hell do you have to lose?
Join the e-commerce campus now before the price increases.